Hello everyone, welcome you all in this another video on machine learning. First of all, I would like to thank you for all your support, all your appreciation, and I hope the upcoming videos would be also beneficial and helpful for you. So guys, in the previous video we talked about Azure machine learning. We deployed a classic problem of regression using web services, and today in this video we will see a problem of classification. The approach we have followed in the previous video, the similar approach we have to follow here also, only the problem statement is somewhat different. So I'll take just 2 minutes to explain you the problem statement and what exactly we are going to do in this upcoming 10-20 minutes. So guys, this is a problem of classification, and we are going to build an Azure machine learning application for banking sector. Now to elaborate the problem statement, let's assume a situation. Assume I'm a banker and you are my customer. You came to me with some loan application, and I want to build an app which should predict whether I should give you loan or not. So we are going to execute the similar problem in Azure Machine Learning Cloud. To execute this problem, we will be needing some course material, and you can download this course material from my website. So this is my website, Code Atelier. If you click on machine learning tab, this is the just click on download. So it will direct you to my GitHub repository, and from here you can download as a zip file. So in the meanwhile, uh, let me go in detail of the problem statement. I'm a banker and you are my customer, and you came to me with some loan application. Now I want to have an application which will predict whether should I give you loan or not. If I give you loan and you fail to repay me, then it is a case of loss for the bank, correct? And if I reject your application but you had potential to pay me back, then this is the also case of loss for the bank. But here the crux is, if I gave you loan and you fail to pay me back, then the loss to the bank would be 5 times more than if I'll reject your application but you had potential to pay me back. Guys, I hope you are understanding the problem statement. I know this is somewhat confusing, but it's easy to understand. And this is a situation given from the bank itself. So keeping in mind this problem statement, we are going to execute our Azure machine learning solution. So this is the codes file. You can see here all the relevant files I have kept here. Now we'll navigate to our Azure machine learning studio. So in the previous video I have told you about the basic layout of Azure Machine Learning Studio. This is the experiment tab, and if you want to create a new experiment, okay. Now in the previous tutorial we have taken a sample data set. But in this tutorial, we will upload a dataset from our local system, and the dataset is already provided to you. This is the dataset. Let's see what does this dataset is having. So you can see here, this is my dataset for our classification problem. And here at the last column you can see the outcome. If it is 1, then it should approve the loan. If no, if it is 2, then it should not. Also, one thing you notice here, this dataset do not have header. So we have to put relevant header to these dataset, and that will do in pre-processing. So the first thing we need to do is upload our dataset. So I have already uploaded this dataset, but still I will show you again. So this is the tab for dataset. To upload dataset, click on new. Since you want to upload from your local system, it will ask you to choose the location. And this is my dataset. And as this dataset do not have any header, we'll choose this option, generic CSV file with no header. Once it is done, you can see this progress bar. It shows it is uploading. Okay, so this is done. Now we'll go to our experiment tab. Let's name this banking classification. You can give whatever you want. So to upload dataset, you need to go to my dataset. So this is the file which I've uploaded now. Just simply drag and drop. So any machine learning problems begins from here. The very first step is analyzing your dataset. So this is my dataset. I'll see here what are the relevant columns, rows I have here. So this dataset is consisting of 10,000 rows and 21 column, and these are the columns. So here you can see this dataset is definitely not the furnished dataset. We need to work a lot on this dataset so that it can be used for training purpose. You can see here headers are missing. Also there would be missing values. And one thing you can see here, feature type is numeric feature. We need to make it categorical. So all these things will be part of our pre-processing of dataset, and we'll see that part in the next video. So see you in the next video, guys.